Hello there. It's William Jamming. Welcome to my channel. So this will be my first face reveal video. Um, the reason for me to actually make this video is that recently my mom passed away. That's the reason I haven't been uploading video recently for the last few months. Yeah, I've been in hospital taking care of my mom, and 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 my mom passed away um, a few weeks ago, and well, for the past few weeks, I've been like I went through a lot of things and going through this like trauma. Um, yeah, and that's the reason why I decided to do the face reveal and to change the content. It's not the content; it's like the format of this channel. And just want to talk to you guys and thank you guys for help me to go through this like a really hard time. Okay, and this video is scripted, so sorry about that if I go through things over. So sorry about that. And first, let me explain something. Okay, so the reason that I did not show my face at the beginning of this channel is that first is that I'm not really confident about myself, especially how I look. And as you can see, I try to lose weight, but I did not like lose that enough to reach the like the mental image that I'm projecting. It's the first thing. The second thing is that English is not my first language. I can speak English, Japanese, and but English is not my first language, and I often make mistake and I have doubts about how I speak. Uh, some words and some terms and some pronunciations. So that's the reason I want to like hide behind the camera, not behind the camera, rather under the VRAM model. I made a VRAM model that I project on my head. Yeah, that's the second reason. So but I think the your loved one passed away is the really like they really change people. And as I go through her things, my mom left not a lot of things. Okay, and it's that moment when I like go through her things and I realized that how difficult it is for a person to actually leave something in this world. Okay, so life is really short. So that's the reason I am no longer afraid of how people judge me, of how I look, or people like criticizing my pronunciation or I spoke like broken English, or people criticizing my art or my programming projects. I'm no longer afraid of that because I think you can't live in fear. Life is really short, so I think well I need to be completely honest with you guys. So that's the reason I will no longer hide behind um behind this like VRM model, or if I like making a new model, I might just try it on my head, but I don't want to hide anymore, and I want to have a like honest conversation with you guys, like face to face conversation. So that it's a real person making all these videos and making all this effort. And yeah, as I'm making art, I have like fall into the like a crisis of doubting why I'm learning this, why I'm doing all this. So every time I think of this, I come to the same conclusion, is that I build this for you. I build this because I really want to create a community and a sincere and honest conversation with you guys, so we can talk, we can share stories, we can hang out, and that's the only reason I'm opening all this channel. I'm making all these videos, and yeah. So I know it's as unprepared. This video is unprepared. I'm going through a lot recently, and I want this video to be a turning point, and I want you guys to know that there's me behind all this video, and you're more than welcome to to leave in the comments in this video, or in my future video, and yeah, just hang out and just chat with me, and give me feedback, and so I can improve this channel and make more videos that you guys need, or you guys enjoy. Okay, that's the future goal. So thanks again for you guys wonderful support during this difficult time, and life will go back to normal, hopefully, and but life will no longer be the same, because I'm no longer afraid. I want to be more sincere, more honest, and have more face-to-face conversation with you guys more. Okay, so thanks, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Okay, bye.